up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to the fam. So today I'm giving you guys a middle part because I haven't did a middle part in so freaking long. I love this hair. This is the Nadula hair. I'll make sure to have everything down below in the description box so you guys can purchase this, get a nice code, get some money off this affordable wig. And yeah, so I really do love this wig. I did cut it. It was like 22-24 inches, but I cut it to below the shoulders a little bit because it's summertime. I love like more short hairstyles. So I'm going to curl it, of course, because I want some nice luscious curls, not too tight, but more bouncier, more bigger. And yeah, I just want a really fluffy, nice middle part. I mean, I miss middle parts, so that's why I did a middle part. And plus I did a side part with this wig on my last video. So I was like, let me just do a middle part because why not? And I feel like middle parts is just make you that bumpy, you know. So right now I'm just curling it, making sure it's hot enough because I do want my curls to come out really nice and bouncy in an actual curl. And I bought this curling one from Ulta. I tried to remember to put it down in the description box for you guys because I do forget sometimes. Also, I'm not going to show you guys the whole head because you guys know how I curl my hair with the curling one. So I will be taking bits and pieces so you guys can see. And then I'm going to run my finger through my hair to create the curls because I did not want to use a comb. And I'm going to use the Got2b spray, which I love for curls, to make sure my curls stay put all day and all night. Also, I'm going to spray it on top of my head because I did have flyaways and we don't want any flyaways. So, but I love the messy look that I did with this hair. I didn't want it to be perfect. I want it to be messy. So I'm probably going to title this like messy curls or something. I just felt like it was needed. I love like messy hairstyles and curly hair in the summertime, especially wigs. And if you guys want me to do a closure, like if you guys want me to put my wig on camera, I will do that. So comment down below if you guys want that. So first things first, I wanted to show you guys how I do my brows on camera. This is the bend, which is kind of weird, but that's what it does, and I love that. And the highlighter, oh, don't mind my voice, it's a mess. I'm super hydrated. Not hydrated, dehydrated. In with the Juvia's, and this is a leg mush concealer, so that was the problem. And then for my concealer, I'm using the shade 12, also from Juvia's. I love the foundation. I love the concealer on camera on my channel because I would love to do that. And now I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Deep Ebony. I decided to wait for the mahogany and use the mahogany in the winter. And I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mommy. I love this bronzer. It's so pretty. I love the bronziness it gives me. And I'm going in with Juvia's blush palette, which is a must. And then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Mo Honey highlighter, well, aka Kilowatt. And I'm going to use it all on my face. Well, not all over, but you get the point. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just going to go back in with the colors I used in my crease and put them on my lower line. I had a brain fart so bad, you guys. Like, I could not think of what that was. But for my lip, I'm going to use the ColourPop BFF4. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to use the ColourPop and Makeup Shayla Satin liquid lipstick, I believe. But I do not know the shade. But I will make sure to have that in the description box. And also I'm going in with my Morphine spray. I love that spray to make sure everything is set into the skin so I can look like a flawless goddess. You feel me? And yeah, this is the look. Y'all look good. I look good. And it's